Good morning guys, welcome to my first Cricut video. Finally I was able to make something with my machine. I know I've had this for like 8 months already and I haven't done anything. Since I finally have my carry-on bag, I am now comfortable using it without having a permanent space for it. So I got most of these things from Amazon. And for today I will be using these HTVs or heat transfer vinyls. So let me just set up my machine, and once that everything is set up, including my computer, let me just get my grip. Today I will be using the standard grip and this multicolored HTV for my first project. Alright, so I am attaching my HTV to my standard grip, but you can always use your light grip for any vinyl projects. I just prefer using this standard grip. And every time you're making your vinyl or HTV, you always have to remember to put in the glossy side down. So this is how we should put it, and this is how we should feed it in the machine. And once I finalize the design on my computer, just click on the Go button and let Cricut do its magic. It may be a little intimidating at first, that's why it took me 8 months to finally make something. But once you get the hang of it, it's so easy to operate this Cricut Explore Air. I'm so happy to have purchased it. It's like a hefty purchase because I bought everything, all the accessories, but it's so worth it. Like, it's super worth it to use your machine and you just know that everything that you need is with you already. So I'm excited for this first project. I've never done anything with my machine and this is my very first Cricut project, and I'm so excited to explore the design space because I've seen a lot of cat designs, so I'm excited to create something out of that too. Alright, so now that is done, it's time for me to remove the HTV or heat transfer vinyl from the grip. Make sure to flip it over and slowly peel off the grip from the material. You have to remember that, and don't just yank away the material off of the grip to save like the form of your material. And here I'm just cutting off the excess so I can use the remaining parts of the HTV for another project. This slicer is also part of the bundle that I got from Cricut. You can also buy this separately, but when I purchased my Cricut machine, I just bought everything, all the accessories and everything. So it's so convenient to have everything when you're making your projects. And here, it's time for me to remove the excess or weed out the parts that I don't need to be ironed on the project that I'll be making. So it's easy to remove these things. I used the vinyl setting on my machine and it worked perfectly for this brand of HTV. And right here I'm using like a regular craft knife or an X-Acto knife because I left my weeding tool at my office, but you can always use your weeding tool. Anyway, it's so easy to remove all those small parts, but if it becomes of a challenge, like here, I use my craft knife to slowly weed out all those little parts inside the letters. Okay, so there you go. I asked someone to iron the design for me because I'm afraid of, heat and anything hot. And it's so easy. So after ironing it on the cloth material, it's there. It's permanently stuck on that material and it's so pretty. Can you just see all those multicolored glitters? It's so pretty. So this project is actually for my sister. It's her brand, Ear Acudetox. and we made this for Angie. So shout out to Angie's Ranji who came by and visited my sister for a session, for an Acudetox session. And look at how that is. It's so pretty. And if you want to have your own Acudetox session, you can join us this Saturday. We will be having our essential oil session with a free session of Acudetox. Sign up is still ongoing, and still join us and experience how to detox your body with Let's Acudetox. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed my first ever Cricut video. If you want to see more Cricut videos, don't forget to shoot them down through the comments. Give me some ideas. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!